y'all, it's Friday. Get into it. What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Y'all know it's Friday. Y'all know what we gonna do today. I know y'all do. From the title, we got LashyBox. Y'all know this is my favorite. I didn't even crack this baby open because we're gonna do it together. So if y'all want to see what's in July's LashyBox, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing this weekend. What's up, my loves? Welcome or welcome back. I am so excited that you guys decided to press that button and watch your girl today. Thank you all so much. Today, guys, we have LashyBox. And this will not be a long video, guys. I tried to do this quick little video for you guys so I can have content for Friday. Because, y'all, they have been killing me at work. So, y'all pray for me, please, please. And wear y'all masks and wash your hands. Today's drink, we have some white wine, guys. I hope you guys have your drinks ready to drink and toast with your girl. Cheers, guys. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Oh, y'all, it's Friday. Get into it. Before we go any further, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from Monday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly, greatly appreciate you guys. Now, let's get to what y'all are here for, baby. LashyBox. All right, guys, for you guys that do not know, this is the $13.99 per month subscription from LashyBox. This is a lash and beauty subscription. They give you lashes, they give you makeup tools, palettes, all kinds of things for just $13.99. I know, but you do have to pay shipping based on your location. You get 4 pairs of lashes each month, and a makeup or beauty tool is included. It's supposed to have a $50 to $80 minimum. I'm not sure if we're gonna have prices today, guys. It just depends on the time that I have to insert it, but I will try my hardest, guys. There is a link down below in the description if you want to subscribe to them. And they do offer an XL box, a mini box, a soft glam box, and a drama box. So I just have the regular base box. So without further ado, let's get this box on and popping. Boo, ooh, girl. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Hey, I don't care if it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm still drinking. Well, not technically. Oh, quick announcement, guys. I did get the Trend Mood box. I'm so excited. So as soon as I get it, we're going to do an unboxing and try on. And some of the stuff I actually will be putting into our 3K giveaway. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that as well. So guys, let's get our box cutter and let's cut this baby open. Y'all ready? Let's go. Oh, okay. All right, we got some lashes and stuff in there. Let's get on into it. So up first, oh, girl, it's looking like it's gonna be a good box. So up first, we have from a LashyBox these lashes, the 3D silk lashes in the style Jamaica. And oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful lashes. These are just the type that TonyaNicole loves. Look at that. Look how wispy and full, dramatic. Please ignore my nails, guys. I'm going to paint them later on. But these are the first pair, and I am loving them. Loving them. I do think LashyBox's lashes are $9.99 a piece, I think. All right, guys. Next up, we have these lashes from LashyBox in the style Rio. And these are like really super duper dramatic. Let's take them out. They feel so soft though. These would be great for like Halloween or like a real super dramatic dark look that makes you just look really dark and sexy. Oh yes, I do love these. I may wear these when we unbox our Seductive Pleasures box. Ooh, okay, girl. The next pair we got, guys, comes from a LashyBox as well. And these are in the style Spicy. Now, these are very long and wispy. They're not as full, but they will give you that sexy, seductive eye look. Look at that. Gorgeous. They're soft. They got a nice little flare on the end. Gorgeous lashes. Oh, I love these. These are very pretty, guys, very pretty. And it probably will look actually natural on my eye shape. So I'm excited about these. Okay, LashyBox. Boo, they're coming through. All right. Y'all need a drink? Me too. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Oh, and going forward, every time I say lashes or boo, I want y'all to take a drink or a shot. One more pair from LashyBox, and these are in the style Demi, and these are also equally as dramatic and beautiful, nice and wispy. I love them. They're gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear these lashes. LashyBox really gave me 4 pairs of lashes that I can actually work with. I think that's amazing. Okay. We have one more product, guys. They did provide us with a little glue this month, and it's black glue, which I do like. And the last thing we have is a palette. And this is from Rude Cosmetics. And this is the City of Pastel Lights palette right here. And it comes with 12 shadows, guys. Let's see. They're making it like a movie type, like a Rude Flicks original series. Oh, it's so cute. That's the outside packaging once it comes out of the little sleeve. Let's open it. Oh, girl. We got a mirror. Hey, boo. Y'all know I'm crazy, huh? And this is the palette right here. Nice pastel colors, gorgeous. This will be a nice spring palette. I do love these colors. Y'all notice the little out there for me. I'm on the fence about this one, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or give it away. Ooh, I don't know. I don't want to swatch it and not use it. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted on what I do with this, but this is gorgeous. I love this palette. And some of the names are Miami Spice, Orange is the New Glam, Big Little Skies. I mean, this is a gorgeous palette. I love the theme. And oh yeah, Rude Cosmetics. Okay, boo, I see you. Okay, my loves, that was my final product in this month's LashyBox. We're gonna quickly recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So guys, we received these 4 pair of lashes right here, all of which I can wear. I love all 4 pairs right here. Good job, LashyBox. They also gave us a little sample glue and this palette right here. So these 5 products for this month for $13.99. Okay. Final thoughts. Y'all should already know what it is. I absolutely love this month's box. They gave me 4 pairs of lashes that I can definitely wear and get plenty use out of. LashyBox's lashes actually do last a really long time. I have been able to get at least with 1 pair a good solid 12 wears out of it. So these lashes are pretty bomb ass, guys. I am completely satisfied with this month's box. I love everything that I received, everything. So y'all know if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn clouds. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. Y'all already know what it is. We're going to give LashyBox a whopping 5 for this month. I loved everything in this box. It's so packed with lashes that I could use. And y'all, it's so affordable. $13.99 for 4 pairs of lashes and a palette. Y'all, come on. Full size palette. You can't beat it. So guys, let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought of my LashyBox for this month. Let me know if you'll rock any of these lashes. Y'all know I want to know that. Don't forget, guys, if you want to subscribe to them, I will put my link down below. Just click it and go on and subscribe to this bomb ass subscription. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of those links are down below, guys. And that's all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with your girl. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Lay back, chilling. Make sure you social distance, wear your mask, and wash your hands, guys. Okay? Okay. All right, guys. I will see you guys on Monday and in the comments below. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, my loves.